Here are your Sinag starters of the game for Last Shot Dubai. Reserved Apigo, Quintano, Bolivar, Malyari, and Rojas. Para dito kay Buholano. Apigo. Gives it to Malyari, back to Apigo. They swing it to the corner, three-pointer. Finally, a basket here. Quintano, who played well kanina for Last Shot Dubai. Behenting turns it over. Tumatakbo Bolivar. Grabe naman yung sabay na yun.
Yes.
But that'll be
game tayo dito. Every time makakuha sila ng possession, they always love to look for an early offense at that time.
And again, Last Shot Dubai with the floater there. Ang ganda na simula nila in terms of shooting.
Perimeter chain yun.
Tap from behind.
Look at the effort. Look at the effort of Spears. Si Apigo saving the ball. That, made some basket right there on the transition. Without that save, that could be an automatic turnover na yun. Pero yung effort niya doon, hats off to that guy.
Nagising itong Max Davao in the latter part of that first quarter. Yun yung napakagandang save to the easy layup.
You're still tuned in to SLA Junior World Showcase match between the Last Shots and the Max Davao. So I had the chance to ask Last Shot Dubai's head coach Jim Rigor on what he usually reminds his boys before they play, and he said in his own words, be smart inside the court. Dapat madiskarte at may chemistry. Basketball is also a mind game. May sistema na needs sundin. Let's see if these words of wisdom can turn into a W for them. Back to you, Enzo and Coach Pancho.
Para kay Ryzen Boholano. Grabe.
Yun talaga, literal na bulldozing his way. Pero Rojas naman on the other end.
From power.
Yun nga, the outside shooting. Outside of Laroya, Coach Pancho, wala pang player from Max Davao has hit a three-pointer outside of him. Dalawang makes nila, kanya pa lang. Oh, wow! Apigo using the glass there.
Yes, that was a long three.
Yun yung magandang ball movement, Coach
Yes.
Pancho. Lahat silang lima nakahawak.
And then the Alpapara connection is very productive on that.
Quarter dito, minuto na walang player na
Walang
tumumba sa
natumba.
floor, Coach Pancho.
Kung di dumadive, natutumba. Ito, all alone.
Easy layup for Rojas. Isusubo na lang niya sa ring sa taas na haba niya. And they will take, ironically, the last shot of this quarter. Rojas spins. Wow! Grabe naman yun.
A baseline drive right there, quick spin, and draws the contact with the bucket right there.
Grabe. Again, sumasagot nga etong si Rojas para sa Last Shot Dubai. He has been sumalubong.
That time he was clobbered. That's the kind of defense pala na kailangan may bigay sa kanya.
May buwelo, no, Coach Pancho. As Dacilio, jumper on the other end.
Yes, ito kanina pa to talagang may shooting talaga to. Yung mga setup plays, ang mga pasa ni Behenting sa kanya. Ha?
Yes. Pero Pellegrino, Coach Pancho, he's getting to the rim. Di lang niya na-finish.
That's the right thing to do. Oo, yun lang, sayang.
Apigo kicks it.
Finally.
To the rim baka mo, Aquino.
Off ang curl. Ang ganda ng pagkakakat. For 25, itong si
Malyari.
Malyari. Oo.
And Basilia with a jumper. Lista mo na eh.
Yes, that's automatic. Yung mga perimeter jumper, no? Players who's diving for the loose ball. Masarap tignan yan, Enzo.
Take a look at that jumper right there. Alpapara in traffic.
Almost loses.
Ripped away.
Yeah, he completely loses the ball.
Dacilio.
Pero tignan mo, tumatakbo pa rin siya.
And Apigo's floater is good.
Again, another floater.
Oo. From an international team na naman, di ba?
You know,
And eto, Apigo over Alpapara. Hindi yung mga fans nagtititingin na
Yes.
sa clock.
eh nakatayo na yung supporters doon ng
And
Max
Bol-
Davao.
Oo. Bolivar wisely draws the foul on Boholano.
Giving up, making some plays for his team, but
Niluwa nga lang. And ito, 2-on-1. Dacilio, good up pick. Great patience by Dacilio on the finish.
Last Shot Dubai making the right plays at the right time, especially in this crucial moments of this final minute of this game that we have here. Look at that great fake in the basket. for Arlan, Kyle Dasilio.
Alam mo ba, almost all the games dito sa Sinagliga Asia na playoffs, lagi ikaw ka-partner ko. Yung mga decider na ganito.
Okay, no.
Halos lahat. And then, no,
Hindi
hindi
halos
semifinals,
lahat.
di ba?
Right. Oo. And the buzzer will sound, Enzo.
Yes, that'll do it na. Last shot, Dubai are victorious. 11-point victory for them.